Hi everyone! This is Ed's Realty Guide PH. Meron akong i-share sa mga agent, sa mga upcoming agent at existing agent ko. Number 1, start with your why. Bago ka magbenta, alamin mo muna kung bakit ka nandito. Is it for your family, future mo, financial freedom? Kapag klaro ang why mo, mas madali harapin ang mga trials at rejection. Number 2, build confidence, not pressure. Hindi kailangan lahat alam mo agad, pero everyday 1% improvement lang. Learn the product, ask question, listen to mentors, confidence, follow kapag may knowledge ka. Number 3, show up consistently. Real estate is not instant success. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Pero kung consistent ka, mag-follow up, mag-post, matuto, at makinig, mag-reach out, makikita mo na agad ang door start opening. Consistently beats motivation. Number 4, master the art of conversation. Benta sa real estate, relationship muna bago sales. Be friendly, be relatable, ask about their goals. People buy from someone they trust, hindi sa salesy person. Number 5, learn how to handle rejection. Normal ang next time na di pa ready, nasa abroad ako. Don't take it personally. Mindset lang yan. Always say thank you. And then next, follow up ka rin lagi sa mga nakausap mo na. Number 6, treat real estate as a business. Totoo yan, kailangan mo talaga mag-invest dito sa sales. Kasi hindi laging Pasko. Lahat ng mga business person or mga businesses ay nag-i-invest din. Kagaya sa boosting or marketing, kailangan natin mag-invest. Hindi ito sideline lang. Track your leads, income, conversation, follow-ups, be professional. May structure, may routine. The more organized you are, mas mabilis ang growth. Number 7, keep investing in yourself. Read books, attend training, mentor calls. Kahit sa YouTube, pwede kang matuto. Lahat i-absorb mo. Every day is a learning process dito sa real estate. It's a real estate a knowledge game. The more you know, the bigger you earn. And the bigger you win. Number 8, stay humble, stay hungry. Even if kumikita ka na, don't stop learning. Ang market nagbabago, ang clients nagbabago, economy nagbabago. Adapt ka agad. Parang cellphone lang din, nag-upgrade. Kailangan din natin mag-upgrade. Number 9, celebrate small wins.